Hi, friends. Hopefully, you're having a great day so far. Sorry I couldn't be there for today, but you're on Schoology, you're watching this video. For our lesson today, you're going to need 5 things. I know it seems like a lot, but just listen for what they are. The first one is your student notebook with a monster on it and a pencil. Okay, you're going to need that pencil as well. So that's 2 things. Then you're also going to need a whiteboard with your marker and an eraser. So that would be your 5 things. So student notebook, pencil, whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Please go get those things, pause the video, and then come back when you're ready. All right, welcome back. We're going to start with our student notebook. We're going to be doing a word of the day today, and you will be on page 58. It's going to be S. Your word's going to start with an S, so should be within the S's on page 58. We have actually done 2 different S words already that are word of the day, so this one will be the 3rd one down. And I'll show you by sharing my screen what that's going to look like. So we've done shred, we've done stall, and now we're going to do this new word down here. If I sound it out, it sounds like this. St, a, mp, st, a, mp, stomp, stomp. Notice there's a blend at the beginning and there's a blend at the end. This says st, a, and then mp, mp, stomp. I wrote a sentence. You do not need to write my sentence. You can come up with your own. But if you want to copy mine, that works too. All right, so mine says, I stomp on the floor when I am upset, right? Sadly, some people do that. It's a way to show your emotion, right? So one thing you're going to notice is after I wrote my sentence, then I went through and I remembered all the different things that I can do to mark these words up. So blends right here, I have some blends. I have some digraphs, and I know it's a digraph because they're together, underlined together. Here we have another blend in floor. FL says full. When is a digraph. And then am is a glued sound. So am, glued sound. All right, pause the video if you need more time to look at this. Please complete your journal. Once that's done and you have your word and your sentence and you marked it all up, then you may continue with this video. Otherwise, please pause it, finish that up, and then unpause it when you're ready to go. All right, friends, thanks for finishing up your journal. So I'm going to close out of the journal part, and we are now going to play a game. All right, with this game, you're going to need your whiteboard. So your journal's put away, your whiteboard and your marker and your eraser. We are going to be practicing today using the glued sounds. All right. So all of these in green, and you're going to notice I have a bunch of words up here, but they're missing the glued sound. So what I'm going to do is for today, we're going to write some of these words and try to figure out what is the glued sound that's missing. All right. Throughout this game, please pause the video if you need time to think about what that sound is. I'm going to tell you to pause it and think about it before listening to the answer. So I'm going to give the answer pretty quickly afterward. All right. And then after that, then write the word on your whiteboard. All right. So you'll practice figuring out what it is, and then you'll write the whole word on the whiteboard. So here we go. The first word I have for you is the word amp, champ, kind of like a champion, right? Like you won something, you're the champ. Ch, ch, a, or sorry, ch, amp, ch, amp, champ. Take a second if you need to pause it to think about it a little bit. You can. Notice all the glued sounds are right here in green, so it's going to be one of those. Which one would it be? Champ. All right, if you had time to think, here it is. The answer is AM. If you got that right, congratulations. So am champ. Please pause the video and write the word champ on your whiteboard and then read it a couple times to yourself, sounding it out and tapping that word out. Am, amp, champ. All right. Here's our next one. Our word is st, and, st, and. If I tap it out, st, and. Think about what this one could be. St, and. All right. Pause the video if you need a little bit more time to sound it out on your own or think about it. But here's the answer. It should have been A-N. If you got that one right, very nice job. Please get your whiteboard marker and write that word stand and then read it a couple times and tap it out. Use that glued sound in the word as you tap it. Here's the next one. The word I have for you here is prank. Prank. So ink. Ink. Prank. What would go here? It says ink. Which one of the glued sounds would go in this one? Ink. Ink. If you need more time, pause it. Otherwise, here's your answer. It's A-N-K. A-N-K. If you got that one right, very nice job. Please take out your whiteboard again and write that word down. Read it a couple times. Tap it out. And make sure you got that glued sound. Practice that glued sound. Here's this next one. The word is string. String. So ing. String. String. Pause the video if you need more time. Here's your answer. I-N-G. If you got that, very nice job. And again, get your whiteboard out, write that word down, practice reading it, practice tapping that word out with the glued sounds, and write that word. Okay, here's the next one. So it's hung, like I hung up a picture yesterday. Hung. So, ung. Ung. Pause it if you need more time. And with this one, you should have heard which tells me it's a U. And it's ung. U-N-G. Hung. Nice job if you got that. Please take that whiteboard out. Pause the video if you need time. You're probably going to need time to write this word. Same with all of them, right? Pause the video. Write the word, tap it out, read it a couple times. Hung. All right, here's the next one. Starts with a B. Bang. Bang. Like you might bang on the door if no one's answering. Bang. Pause it if you need more time. This answer, you can hear the vowel, right? B-ang. Bang. Should be an A-N-G. Bang. Pause it, write it down on that whiteboard, tap it out, make sure you get that glued sound down, right? We really want to practice those glued sounds. Ang. Here's this next one. The word is strong. Strong. So strong. Strong. Pause it if you need more time. Here's your answer. O-N-G. You should have heard aw. Ong. O says aw. Octopus, right? Aw. Strong. Nice job. Please get that whiteboard out. Write the word strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. You could put a box around the O-N-G, please. And underline the blends. Same with all those other ones. If you haven't done it yet, go back and do them. But put those boxes around the glued sounds. Underline the blends. Underline the digraphs. All those things that you see. Here's this next one. The word is honk. Honk, like I honk a horn. Honk. Pause it if you need more time. Onk is O-N-K. I hear ah, so it's onk. O-N-K. Please write it, box it around the onk, and then tap it out. Huh, onk. Huh, onk. Honk. Here we have 2 more left, friends. The next one is drink. Dr, ink. Ink. Drink. Pause it if you need more time. Our answer is ink. I-N-K. Ink. Drink. And here's our, and then go write it, please. Put a box around it. Put underlines underneath the D and the R, right? Because it's a blend. And then practice tapping it out and reading it. And then, friends, here's our last one. CH says ch. And then our word is ch-unk. Chunk. So ch-unk. What glued sound goes and says unk? Pause it if you need more time. Friends, unk, right? Is a U, like up, the card up. It's U-N-K, ch-unk, chunk. Please go write that word, underline the digraph, put a box around the unk, the glued sound, and then practice tapping it out. All right, friends. I'm going to challenge you to do something a little bit here, okay? Because I'm not sure how much time you're going to have left based on how much you paused the video along the way, right? You probably had to pause it for your writing of the words and writing of the word of the day and the sentence. But if there's still a little bit more time left in class, you can do one of 2 things. You can either read, and I wrote that in the lesson plan so your teacher will know that that's an option for you just to read. You can do that either with a book or RazKids or Epic. Or if you want to use your whiteboard and write down you can pause it right here so you can see these, but look at the glued sounds. And if you just want to see if you can come up with as many words that have these glued sounds in them, like the word chunk. Instead of saying chunk, you could say trunk, like TR, trunk. Or a tree trunk, right? If you want to just come up and just write a bunch of words that have glued sounds and practice doing that today to end class, you may do that, all right? Whatever you want to do, if you want to come up with a bunch of words, or if you want to read, whichever one you want to do, that's fine with me. But please remember to clean up your materials. So all of that stuff, the notebook, right? The workbook that we have with the monster on it, your pencil, your whiteboard needs to get erased and cleaned up at the end of class, and put the marker away and throw away your Kleenex or whatever you're using to erase with. Please clean up your stuff, put away your bag, and then you may have a great rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. All right? Bye bye, friends. Thank you for all your hard work. I'll see you tomorrow.